What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to my channel, Money Moves with Kay. I am Kay, and today we're going to talk about a secret tax auction list that the properties are so cheap that it's hard to believe, okay? Even I had to double take to ensure that it is true, which it is. Without further ado, let's get into it. So this is a list that I'll share with my tax auction course members. I just found this list, and it's a plethora of properties that are for sale right now, right? Now, these are the starting bid, as you can see. It says $1,912, $3,200 pretty much. This looks like a new construction. It looks like they stopped constructing the property for whatever reason, and it's $2,600, $881 for some land, $7,841 for a property. This is let me see. It has a garage. It has everything you need in order to thrive as a family. Imagine purchasing this property for $7,800, right? Now, there are some caveats. What does that mean? It's a lot that you have to do to ensure that this property is free and clear, right? So in this particular state that I'm mentioning, this is a tax redeemable deed state, which means that the property owner can redeem the property. Now, if you look at these properties, this is a list of 24 pages. A lot of these properties are under $3,000, $2,100 here, $1,600 here, $76,000, but that's a commercial property. You have $2,300 down here, $2,200 here, $1,392, $4,350. In fact, I'll say this. This may be a comprehensive list of properties that has the most properties under $3,000 that I've ever seen, right? So I go over a lot of different counties, Florida, I go everywhere. And these have the best. This list is the best list for some decent looking properties. Now, this one is $7,600, $2,000, $27,000, but it's a commercial building. Now, you might be saying, Kay, what do I need to do in order to purchase these properties? Now, I will say this, that this is the starting bid, okay? This is what is owed to the county. So you do have to ensure and do your due diligence. In all my videos, I discuss due diligence and why it's so important. You have to ensure that these properties are G to G, which means good to go, which means essentially that they have no other encumbrances. I'm breaking it down for you now. An encumbrance basically is anything that is against the property. It could be back taxes, which we kind of see here. It could be a lien, a mechanic's lien, child support. The list goes on as to a tax lien as far as the IRS. That's what I'm referring to when I say tax lien with that regard, or a county lien. It could be a lot of different type of liens, okay, that is against the property. So you have to ensure that you are purchasing a property free and clear. How do you do that? You have to conduct due diligence. And how do you do that? I discussed that in my course. So make sure you check the link in the description and the pinned comments to purchase the course. The course will not be on sale for the remaining of the year, so there's no need to wait, okay? So keep that in mind, that the quicker you get on it, the quicker you can purchase these properties and start to build your portfolio of homes and properties. Don't sleep on land, guys. Land allows you to avoid tenants, termites, and toilets. So I actually purchased a piece of land off of a list just like this in North Carolina, and the land I purchased it for $4,000, I do believe, and I resold it for $25,000 within a year or two. So I knew the value of the property. How did I know that? I ran my comps. What are comps? Comps basically just tell you the value of the home. What is the home appraised for based on the comparable sales in that particular neighborhood? That includes land as well. I took some courses to be an appraiser, a real estate appraiser trainee. I really just took the course to get more information so that I can be a better real estate investor myself, because yes, I do invest in real estate. So a lot of people say, well, what's your portfolio look like? Trying to puff up. But I will say this. I understand that you might see a lot of people on YouTube and social media in general who don't do this, but this is what I do. I'm a guru, not a guru. I actually do this. So we have access to the VA loan. My husband is a veteran. I've talked about that before in my past videos. He served 20 years in the military, and we've utilized the VA loan in order to leverage our portfolio to pretty much buy homes, okay? And we purchased land cash. So the $4,000 land that I just discussed, and I flipped it for $25,000. Yes, We purchased it cash because we have a lot of other stuff going on. So keep that in mind. Yes, I do have a portfolio, and you can too. This is not out of reach. And in fact, this is more reasonable for someone to do right now in the economy. Whether you want to live in this property yourself or you're trying to purchase it, fix it up, and flip it. Now, there's steps to this process. You might think, oh, okay, I could just buy, let's say this house right here. Oh, I could just buy this house for $1,100 and I'm good to go. No, you're not. That's honest. I'm being honest. No, you're not done. There's a process before, during, and after the auction is over. And this particular auction is over December 2nd, or it starts, it's happening December 2nd. So there's a process you have to go through, a foreclosure process in certain states. You have to go through after the sale is complete. So you need to understand what is that process look like, and you need to identify or understand that you will be getting a quit claim deed. A quit claim deed is not as marketable as a warranty deed or general warranty deed, which allows you to resell with insurance. Okay. So all these things and details I discuss in the course. Is a very vital course. Make sure you grab it in the link in the description and pin in the comments. It's there, the link. So I just wanted to show you that there are ways to purchase these properties. And yes, they are out there. Basically, what I'm saying as well is that I've rarely seen, this is a large list of properties. And I wanted to bring this to you just to show you that, yes, the deals are still out there. And yes, people are scooping these up really quickly because they know where to look. So yeah, make sure you check it out. I will, again, leave a link in the description to check out the course. Here's a review of the course. Somebody purchased the course. They really like it. And yeah, you can do the same. If you made it this far in the video, thank you so very much. I truly do appreciate you. And if you made it this far, in the comment section, comment tax auction. It allows me to know you made it this far in the video. And I truly do appreciate it. Until next time, guys, you stay blessed. Peace.